I'm so glad that you guys are here. Here, thank you, my brother. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't even know they made those big bell bottoms anymore.
They don't make it too much.